In 2018, in Mauritius, we had our own resort on a wonderful, wonderful island. In 2019, in Brazil, Leo took over another resort and gave our members another amazing, amazing experience that they would remember for the rest of their lives. In 2020, we don't just have a resort. We don't just have part of an island. In 2020, we have taken over an entire island. Come to the Maldives in 2020. This place is paradise on earth. It is a place like few others on the planet. A beautiful island in the middle of the Indian Ocean. Perfectly clear sea. White, beautiful sand that goes on forever. The diving, the swimming, the snorkeling, the water sports, the activities, the joy, the excitement, the pleasure you'll get from being surrounded by such amazing scenery, such wonderful surroundings, and such incredible people will be like no other you have ever experienced. I cannot wait to share this incredible island, this incredible country with each and every single one of you. Do what you need to do. Put in whatever effort is required and get yourself to the Maldives in 2020.